Hello friends, welcome to Ashwini Sparkles. So today we are discussing daily 5 MCR questions, nothing but 5 physics, 5 maths A, 5 maths B, 5 chemistry, total 20. So coming to maths B, here the question asked is the straight lines 4ax plus 3by plus c equal to 0 where you give the condition a plus b plus c equal to 0 will be concurrent. Its point is, so simply given that 4ax, these are set of lines. For example, various values of a comma b, we will get various set of lines. So that is, so let a given set of lines, this is, so now eliminating c, so means to getting that point we have to eliminate c because there is no constant for set of lines. For example, nothing but c is same or c equal to 0, so we get 4ax plus 3by nothing but a plus b equal to 0. So upon adding these two lines, so adding these two lines is same because they are equal to 0 only. So here 4x minus by 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So this would be 0 for 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So upon obtain this, x is equal to 1 by 4. So it is 0 if only 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So then y equal to 1 by 3. So option is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 3. So the answer is option B. So another question. So I am already told that to find coordinate geometry we must draw the figure, which is easy. So here if a and b are 2 points, here a and b are 2 points on the line 3x plus 4y plus 15 equal to 0 such that OA equal to OB, this is 9 units given, then the area of triangle OAB, asking that area of triangle OAB. So it is simply, so we have to find triangle area, nothing but half into base into height. For the height we want OD, nothing but half into OD into and base, that is AB. So to obtain OD, this is nothing but perpendicular distance. So given that 3x plus 4y plus 15 equal to 0, so then the distance is c by mod c by root of a square plus b square, nothing but root of 3 square plus 4 square, 15 by root 25, 15 by 5 equal to 3. Here it is simply 3. So we get 3, that is we get OD. So now we have to find AB. So simply applying Pythagoras theorem, here it is AD, it is O, given we know that it is 3 and it is 9. So how to obtain this? Just apply Pythagoras theorem, nothing but 9 square minus 3 square, 81 minus 9, nothing but root 72. So we will get 12 root 2. So it is the, just apply. So half into base is nothing but 2 times of, so AB equal AD plus DB, nothing but 2 times of AD plus DB. So 2 times, that is AD plus DB. So half into 12 root 2 into 3. So nothing but we get 2 3 is 6. So after upon this 18 root 2 square units. So upon drawing this figure we get clear answer. So our answer is option B. So next, so given that the lines, these lines are concurrent, you give 3 lines, these are concurrent. So asking that they are perpendicular or parallel or concurrent or all of the above or none of the above. So here it is very simple, just apply determinant. The determinant of concurrent lines must be 0, nothing but, so upon in this we get determinant 0 and these lines are concurrent. So just obtaining this determinant we get easy, that is concurrent. So guys, next, the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular from the point 2 comma 3 to on the x plus y minus 11 equal to 0 is simply asking that, for example this is a line x plus y minus 11 equal to 0, the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point. So asking there is a point that is foot of perpendicular from the point 2 comma 3. So how to do this? So for a equation, so then it is also passing through 2 comma 3. So the equation perpendicular on the line x plus y minus 11 equal to 0 is x minus y plus lambda equal to 0, because perpendicular the slope is minus 1. For example, here slope is minus b by a, that is minus 1. It is minus b by a plus 1. The minus into 1 equal to 0 equal to minus 1. The slope of perpendicular lines is minus 1. So but it passes through 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 means, for example, let's assume this is x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. So this line is, that's the point which goes 2 comma 3. So but it passes through 2 comma 3. Just substituting 2 comma 3 in this equation, x minus y plus lambda equal to 0, nothing but 2 minus 3 plus lambda equal to 0, nothing but we get lambda equal to 1 simply. So equation of perpendicular is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. We already get. So just substitute the given point. So only, so here only 5 comma 6. So x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So here in substituting this minus 5 comma 6, we get minus 5 minus 6 plus 1. So here it is plus 5. So now simply obtaining this, it is equal to 0. It is simply. So guys, next go to another question. It is also very easy. So coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from 0 0 to the line joining a cos alpha, a sin alpha and a cos beta, a sin beta are. So guys, here it is simply. So the coordinates of foot of perpendicular drawn from 0 comma 0. Let it be 0 comma 0. Line joining to the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. So let it be perpendicular, which is to this. So some 2 points are there, a cos alpha comma a sin alpha and a cos beta and a sin beta. So slope of perpendicular, so we know that slope of perpendicular y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, we get tan of alpha plus beta by 2. The equation of perpendicular is y minus tan of alpha, because y equal to mx plus c, is it? So then y minus mx equal to y equal to mx, because it is given that it is passing through origin, so c equal to 0. So y minus mx equal to 0, y minus tan of alpha plus beta by 2 into x equal to 0. So now on substituting in the equation, we get a by 2 as the nothing but solving. We get a by 2 which satisfies this equation. So our answer is option A. Sorry guys, so here y minus tan of alpha plus beta by lambda. So lambda is something equation. So from this, I am substituting alpha plus beta, nothing but substitute x and y. So we simply get this point definitely satisfy this point. So let's go to this physics. This is from kinetic molecular theory of gases from physics. So here the temperature ideal gas increased from 120 K to 480 K. So given the T1 value and T2 value. If at 120 K the root mean square speed of gas molecule is V. So here also given that there is something V. So then at 480 K what it will be? So just applying root mean square value, Vrms equal to root of 3RT by M. So here R, so this R and M are constant and 3 is also constant. So nothing but V1 by V2 equal root of 120 by, so 120 by 480. So here, so simply 1 by 4, nothing but 1 by 2. So given that first one is V, another is V2, so 1 by 2. So simply we get V2 equal to 2V, nothing but 2 times of V. So our answer is 2V. Next going Next, going to this, asked is, at what temperature of ideal gas is increased from 120K to 480K? If at 120K the root mean square speed of gas molecule is V, then at 480K it will be. So guys, here it is also simple. Just C equal to root of 3RT by M. So given that at 120K to 480K, at 120K the root mean square is V, at 480K it will be. So it is C equal to root of 3RT by M. T by M also we know constant. So just substituting this, T by 2 equal to 273 plus 47 by 32. So and T by 2 this is 320 by 32. So which gives 10, nothing but T equal 20 kelvins. So another, the pressure of CO2, it is a real gas. So in a container is given by this, given that is pressure, then the mass of the gas in the container. So just comparing with Van der Waals equation. This is Van der Waals equation of real gases. He given that equation. From comparing this, we will get that is mu equal to 1 by 2 D. So here mu equal to M by M. This is mass of gas. So simply we want the mass of gas. It is M equal to mu into M. That is mu equal to 1 by 2. So mass of CO2. So mass of CO2 is 44. Simply 22 grams. Next, another question. A closed vessel contains 8 grams of oxygen and 7 grams of nitrogen. So given that a closed vessel contains 8 grams of oxygen and 7 grams of nitrogen. So the total pressure is 10 atmosphere pressure. So the total pressure of nitrogen oxygen 10 atmosphere at the given temperature. So at the given you give the temperature. If now oxygen is absorbed by introducing a suitable absorbent in the pressure of the remaining gas. So now oxygen is absorbed by introducing a suitable absorbent, nothing but that absorber of oxygen. So the pressure of remaining gas, he is asking that what is the pressure of nitrogen. Already oxygen is absorbed, what is pressure of nitrogen gas? Simply, so must do the question, given that only single vessel O2 and N2, here is 8 grams of oxygen and 2 grams of nitrogen. So O2 is observed, what is the remaining pressure of nitrogen? So we know that pressure is equal to P1 plus P2 because 2 containers. So on applying PV equal to nRT, mu1 RT by V, mu2 RT by V. So we know that mu1 equal to M1 by molar weight M1, here M2 by M2. So now on obtaining this, for oxygen it is 8 by 32. So it is 8 by 32. So for this 7 by 22, because 8 is given, 32 is molar weight, 7 is given, 28 is molar weight. So upon come this, is given that 10 atmosphere pressure, that is 10 equal to RT by 2V. So when oxygen observed, then for nitrogen, so now given that, then for nitrogen, so then for nitrogen 7 by 28 RT by V. So now obtain this P equal to RT by V. So from equations 1 and 2, upon solving these two equations, 10 equal to RT by 2V and P equal to RT by 4V, so we will get the pressure of nitrogen is 5 atmosphere pressure. So our answer is option D. Next guys, it is theory question, also important. The ideal gas and real gas have what is the major difference? It is phase transition or temperature or pressure or none of this. So generally no attractive or repulsive forces act between gas molecules in an ideal gas. Various for a real gas, due to intermolecular forces in real gases, molecules do not exert that force on the wall which they would have exerted in the absence of intermolecular pressure of the gas. So it will be less than that presence in the intermolecular force. So simply the pressure is the main factor in this factor. Okay. So next we go through. So guys, properties of triangles does not involve thinking, just obtaining formula. So given that in triangle ABC, if A is less than B is less than C, and given that A cube plus B cube plus sin cube A plus sin cube B sin cube C equal to 8, then the maximum value of C. So here it is simple. Using the sine rule, we get A by sin A equal to this 2R. So A equal to R sin A, B equal to R sin B, C equal to R sin C. Just simply substituting in this, we get 2R cube by, so upon obtaining this, cancelling this, so 2 cube into R cube, we get 2 cube as maximum. So 2 cube 8 is the maximum value of C. So here it is. So T cube. So nothing but ask maximum value of C. So nothing but 8R whole cube. So we dealing with only 2. So that is 2R whole cube. R 2. The maximum value of C is 2 only. So option is C. Next, the sides of a triangle in the ratio. So given that the sides are in the ratio, then the largest angle in the triangle, he asking just largest triangle. So ratio of sides is given. So let sides of a triangle be, because there is the sides of triangle in this ratio only. So the longest sides here we observing it is root of 8 plus root 15k simply. So then theta is the largest angle. This cos theta equal, just apply the formula. So cos theta equal to 3k square plus 5k square minus of this, and by root 2 of root 3 root 5k square. So now upon obtaining this, cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2, which is theta equal to 2 pi by 3 simply. So guys, next he given that in a triangle ABC, cot A plus cot B cot C equal to, it is direct formula which we remember, also we will do now. So here A square plus B square plus C square equal to 4 delta of cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Just dividing this by this, so we get easily. So the answer is option C. So next, in a triangle ABC, if tan A equal to tan A is to tan B is to tan C equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3, given the ratios 1 is to 2 is to 3, and sin A is to sin B is to sin C equal to root 5 is to 2 is to root 2. So then k, 2 root 2 is to k, then what is the k value? So guys, here it is also simply. So nothing but we know tan A sin A by cos A, then simply substituting values, that is A by 2R and B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So this is the formula. Similarly for tan A it is. So for tan B, tan C, so we get 1 by B square plus C square minus A square. So upon doing this, clearly let tan A is to tan B is to L is to M is to N. So then A is to B is to C. Let then A is to B is to C, what will become? Root of 1 by M plus N plus 1 by N, root of 1 by N plus 1 by L, and root of 1 by L plus 1 by M. So here L comma M comma N, it is 1 is to 2 is to 3. So A is to B is to 3. Upon obtaining this, A is to B is to C, it is 3 by root 6. So we given that, root 5 is to 2 root 2 is to k equal to what? So which is equal to root 5 by root 6, 2 root 2 by root 6, 3 by root 6. So simply asking k, nothing but, so upon observing this, nothing but sin A is to sin B is to sin C. So 5 is to 2 root is to k, thus k equal to 3, nothing but this all will be cancelled. So k equal to 3. So next question. So guys, here property triangles simply involves just formulas, does not involve great thinking. Okay, in a triangle ABC, if C equal to 9, okay, and S equal to 10, and delta equal to 10 root 2, then then this of the following is. So given that C value and S is equal A plus B plus C by 2 and area of the triangle. So just asking what is the value of 1 plus root 2 of B of 1 plus root 2 tan of A minus B by 2. So first of all find tan of A minus B by root 2 which is equal to A minus B by just formula applying. So cot C by 2 which is equal to C S of S minus C by delta. So upon obtaining substituting this value we get this 1 by root 2 of A minus B by A plus B. So simply on substituting this on simplification we get A of 1 minus root 2 tan of A minus B by 2. So our answer is option A. So next guys we will dealing with chemistry. So in EAMCET exam first of all we deal with chemistry, then only we go for maths and physics because time is important factor here. So here two series of spectral lines of atomic hydrogen which do not belong to infrared spectral region. So given that two pairs, he asked that what is the infrared spectral region are not found. Generally first of all see all in Lyman series, that is n dash equal to 1. The series is named after discoverer of this Lyman. Okay. So next Balmer. So this is in the spectrum with wavelength longer than 400 nm and shorter than 700 mm. So come to Paschen series. The Paschen lines are in the infrared band. So we want infrared spectral region. So it is bracket series. The spectral lines of bracket series are infrared band. So according to Fund series, the lines in the infrared region. So it is Ampere series. The spectral lines are Ampere series lie in the infrared region. So hence the correct answer is D. That is Lyman and Balmer. So these two are in the infrared and spectral region. So guys, let's go to another question. So here, which of the activities can be compared to concept of quantization? Generally guys, what is quantization? Quantization nothing but in discrete, nothing but not sometimes releasing more and more, sometimes small and small. It is just discrete. So a car is traveling on the road, so it goes with different speeds. An apple is falling from the tree, so sometimes apple is not constant. For example, if apple is very old, then it will fall based on weight, it will depend. So next, a person can stand any step of staircase, so it is constant, so it goes with discrete manner in upstaircase. So quantization is related to option C. Next here, what will IUPAC number? So simply he asks that 1 2 3 number atomic number is the what is IUPAC. So simply 1 means UN according to table, 2 means by, 3 means tri. So un by tri. So we have to add lium, nothing but unbatrium. So unbatrium, we have to add unbatrium. So simply the answer is C, unbatrium. So next question, he given that which of the statements is incorrect. So guys, here the enthalpy of atomization decreases down a group in S black elements. Next, the enthalpy of atomization decreases down a group in P black elements. Next, the enthalpy of atomization decreases down a group in D black elements. The enthalpy of atomization increases down a group in D black elements. So here, first of all, see here, C is the region. So enthalpy of atomization is the energy required to break off atoms which are joined together. Nothing but breaking of atoms is called enthalpy of atomization. So from top to bottom in a group, the atomic radii increases. So in a group, atomic radii generally increases from top to bottom because of adding shells due to additional extra shells. So atoms with larger radii attract each other more weakly than atoms with smaller radii. We know that atoms with larger radii will attract each other than weakly smaller radii. So it is easier to separate the larger size atoms by the less input of energy, and hence on moving down, group S and P black have low automation enthalpy. It is know that. So next, but in the case of D black elements, enthalpy of atomization increases on moving down a group due to presence of lanthanide actinide contraction. So this is exception, that is lanthanide actinide contraction. The elements become similar, we are unable to separate them. So option is C. The enthalpy of atomization decreases down a group in D black elements. So next, find out the character or ionic character of the following molecules. It is ionic character which is transfer of ionic bond formed by transfer of electrons. So simply, so you have to find the order. So guys, here LiF, K2O, SO2, these are polar ionic bonds. These are non-polar covalent bonds. So ionic character in a molecule increases with increase in electronegativity. So difference in bonded atoms. So the answer is B only. So that is LiF greater than K2 greater than SO2 greater than N2. These are polar ionic bonds. These are non-polar covalent bonds. So ionic character is in the order. So guys, thank you.